Pulled up to this Nickelodeon Slime Cup event. First day rehearsal, fitting, hair and makeup, promo. You meet your team. Yo,
that's exciting.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Should you tell the people who's on your team?
Terry Crews and Colin. I do not want to mispronounce his last name. So
all that matters,
on
he's
the
number
screen.
2 on the PGA Tour. That's all that matters.
Yep, right there on the screen. You'll see it right there. Yep, there it is.
She has arrived on set, Slime Cup. Talent parking, look at that. And some of her trailers over there.
Oh, this is a big bathroom. This is so cool. Hey, what's up? Why are you secret? I can see the camera. I can see the camera. What you trying to hide?
What you mean? Come on, it's the camera face.
You trying to be sneaky? First of all, I got a coffee and a lemon bar. Bussin'. A bunch of snacks, a gum for my hot breath.
Had a fitting. Looks pretty cool. Specific golf clothes for you.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on, slow down, slow down. Get that first bite on camera. Yeah, man, yeah. Look at that, yeah. So I'm Jaidyn's caddy for the day.
In a normal golf hole, you would start way back there by that orange tractor and hit shots to come and try to get it on the green. But today we're just gonna use this as like a practice area and learn how to hold it. So you're gonna notice like the grass is really short, and the purpose is to be able to roll the ball in the hole. Okay, and the ball sits on it like that. Now we're gonna go back and make the little L. Perfect. And then look down at that tee the whole time. Now swing through, belly button, toe tap. Go. Beautiful.
There you go. Y'all killing it. Oh.
There you go.
Nice. What's crazy?
When I hit the balls, it formed a circle. Like I kept going in the same spot. All my balls were like in this
I
vicinity.
know I got it on video, girl. You did good. Look, and you team green.
You feel me?
Team green? Why your phone green? Cause you team green? Team green, Karen Green.
Alright, we just got lunch. I got a BLTA. What's bussin'? What'd you get?
I got BLTB.
What? What, extra bacon?
Extra bread.
Bonk.
Sir.
Nah, I got it in a bowl. BLT bowl. Getting her makeup done, getting them hair twisted up. You know what I'm saying? Next time you see her, she's going to be dressed.
It's everything you need to. Guys, that was my day one. See you tomorrow.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video.